I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching me. This is Jay Sunshine. Channel is Jay Sunshine. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe. I'm taking you to the beach, Beau Vallon in Seychelles. This is the best beach in the world. Welcome to Beau Vallon. Vallon means beautiful.
As you see, this is among the cleanest beaches. Do you want to go for a morning dip? She loves swimming in the morning. Come on! Actually, you can see that's a hill, that's another hill, and that's a hill up there. So we're in the valley and so that's J. Sun. Shine.
Please subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to her channel, please. So leave nothing but your footprints on the beach.
Woo! And guys, over there is the sister hotel. Show them that is the sister hotel. The story. The sister hotel to the story. Yeah.
So guys, when you go there, you get a 40% discount. This is where you come for diving, snorkeling.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think if you want to dive, you want to snorkel, if you want to be one-on-one with the sharks.
Yeah.
You come here and hire the whatever the kids.
We're swimming here.
Yes. See if they are open.
Ah, there's also a white shark. Looks like this.
It's in the morning.
Oh, let me show you something. Snorkeling, option A, option B. Option A is in the morning from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. Oh, sorry, to 1 p.m. Then there is also option B from 2 p.m. to 4. Yeah. Learn how to scuba dive. By the way, guys, if you don't know what scuba diving is, Jay, do you know what scuba diving is?
No. What's that?
You know what snorkeling is?
Tell me.
Huh? Both are underwater sports. So with snorkeling, this is where you go using you go in the sea using a boat. You just looking for sea animals, sea
Plants.
okay. Underwater fish.
Living things.
Yeah, the beautiful kind of fish. You see zenye zinakujanga juu. And then as for the scuba dive is where you just dived deep down the ocean. And this is where you put on your, they give you an oxygen tank at the back because uko chini hakuna hewa, so you're going to swim using that.
Using
While you view what is under the
water. Alright.
Under the sea.
I don't think there's another entrance.
We're just going to see where they come for scuba diving training.
Yeah.
Because you cannot just go without some little bit of training.
Yes. They have a very delicious menu over there. There's seafood pasta. Look at that. There's shrimp, tempura roll.